I was gonna try to live stream this, but I couldn't get it to work. Mucho complicated. No. Oh, cracked my nuts. Oh. 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 We recovered, but man, it's still a sore subject. What is this? Like, somebody tell me what this is. Is that people putting stuff in the trail? I would say dicks. Fuckers. One of your carts is over here. It's about 3 miles that way. This is a nice little trail over here, but I just ran into a couple of four-wheelers, so I don't want to get smashed. See what we got. Ah, little baby stuff. Nice little. Just crawl on out. Alright, let's head back. This was a short one. You know, just to scratch the itch. We won't head straight back, but we'll start making our way back. Let's go check out this hill. This is an easy hill. The way I do it is I find a gear I'm already happy with. I just come at it standing up slightly over the bars, accelerate through. On a 450, it makes it look easy. I ain't been down here. Downhill, just hold that rear brake, ride it. Steeper the hill, the faster it's gonna go, but just hold that brake. Same thing, up it, got a good gear. Oh, almost fell. A 450 makes these hills are small. Alright, we'll head it back. Not too sure of the way. Let's go this way. Took a right. Kinda looks familiar.